Hey guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. I am back and I'm feeling fantastic, guys. Thanks for all the prayers and good well wishes. I really appreciated it, guys. Today I am doing something completely different and highly requested. I finally got a chance to go through a lot of my messages, and this request was in here several times, so I thought that is very important. But today, just like the thumbnail says, how to build a stockpile free at Dollar Tree using these simple methods, guaranteed. That's what we're going to do today. So come on, guys, and follow me, and welcome back. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's get up in here, guys, to the Dollar Tree. Use these methods. You can build a free, sustainable stockpile in Dollar Tree using coupons and these methods, tried and true, that I've used. Okay, so we're going to grab 4 bags of the high chews. They are $1 a piece, and the coupon is for $1 off, so these are free. Okay, we're going to grab 2 of these. We got $1 off of 2 Welch's coupons, so let's grab 4. We're going to use 2 coupons, okay? Okay, guys, we also have $1 off of the Nature Valley Crunch, so we're going to get 2 boxes of these. I'm actually going to get 4. I'm going to use 2 coupons, okay? Okay, guys. I'm going to put that back. We also have some more Nabisco coupons, guys. So I know for a fact these work. So I'm going to grab 2 sets of these. They got to be the 3.5 ounce or more. So I'm going to grab 2. 4. So that makes 4 of those, okay? Okay, and now we're going to go to the Boogles coupons. We're going to grab 4 bags of the Boogles, okay? Okay, guys, so I found the coupon for the fruit snacks. I picked up the wrong one. It's the fruit roll-up. So we're going to grab 2 boxes of those. Yep, 2 boxes, okay? Yeah, so we are back recording. And in this recording, you are going to look at, remember I said we are here for free stuff. This Aquafresh is $1. Let me see the coupon. And then this coupon say $1 off any Aquafresh product. So we're going to grab 4 of those. Here you go. Also, guys, our next freebie is the Coast. You have the Coast coupons. That's $1 off that come out every couple of weeks, every 6 to 10 weeks. And here is the coupon right here. Now, when you are couponing in Dollar General, the key Dollar Tree, the key word is any. See that? That's the key word on a lot of your coupons. That is one indication that you can come in here and shop and buy what you need. Now, you saw me pick up earlier, picked it up, the high chew. See that? Any size high chew. Now, a lot of these coupons, if you notice the dates on them, they expire 9/12 because that's when the coupons turn over. Now, remember we got that Coast coupon body wash, but let's look. So, see, when you look at this Coast, let me see that coupon. You cannot get this because it says 6 bar, but so it excludes the bars, but it's giving you the Coast Essential for free. So that is when you learn how to read the coupons and know and understand what you are doing. Okay, so let's go over here by the cereal, because this is where you learn how to really read the coupons at. Okay, another one that we are going to look at is the candy, the swirl, the popsicle. See this? This is $1 off. It comes out of the food aisle, and my little one, my granddaughter, has it. See that? Another one, any. As long as it says any and it's the correct product, you can get those products. Okay, so that one expired the 13th, but the rest of the coupons expire on the 12th, and that tells me they do a big flip of coupons then. When you come in here, read the coupon correctly. Sometimes you can get away with using the coupon. That's not the correct one. I don't recommend that. Now, I had a coupon that was for Domino sugar, and it was for golden. That coupon did not work on any Domino sugar that I tried to buy. So I just, any one of them, not one. Okay. The cereal coupons is a whole different beast within themselves. If you do not have, like, if it's it'll work on some things that say box, but you could use the bags, or it'll work on the bags and you could use the boxing. So it just depends on what you're looking for. Okay, so let's go this way. Those are tips of the trade that I learned. You can build a free, sustainable stockpile in Dollar Tree. Like, that's body wash, that's free mouthwash, that's free toothpaste. It's a lot of free stuff you can get. Okay. What you need to do is learn how to stick to your budget, because you can really get lost in Dollar Tree. I had another coupon for this, but I'm going to put it back because I can't find it. And I'm also going to put these back. Okay, so as of now, let's go and put these back. Okay, so, and it should be down one of these aisles. And the reason why I'm putting them back, guys, is because you all know I'm back from being ill, and I did not get a chance to go completely through my coupons, and so that's why you see me putting them back. But this video was so important to me because I had so many requests for free how to build a stockpile for little or no money. That is right up my alley. I love to teach people how to build sustainable stockpile. So everything you see in my cart, we have a coupon for. We should have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 things for free. Okay, 16 of them, which is fantastic. Build your stockpile. You get 2 free toothpaste and free body wash. You cannot beat that. That is a great deal. Work on doing what you need to do to build a sustainable stockpile. Okay, and then you do have to research out your Dollar Trees. Find a Dollar Tree that works for you. Okay. A lot of Dollar Trees I go to, I don't come back to them because the staff was awful, or they didn't know how to read the coupons. So I don't have to patronize places like that. But let's go up here and let's pay for our stuff and see how we did. Okay, guys, see all of this product? We did very well. This started off at $28. My sub table started off at $22. I ended up paying $6.05 out of pocket. We had $17.50 in coupons, 4 bags of free hot chews, 4 packs of toothpaste for free, 4 body washes for free, and 4 boxes of popsicles for free. Everything else was 50 cents a piece, and these were 75. Guys, how to build a free stockpile at Dollar Tree. We're using couponing and general strategic pointers that I gave you. This is it right here. We had 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 items for free. If you all enjoyed this video, please let me know so I can do more videos. But I hope this helps someone out in the coupon world in Dollar Tree that need these deals. I intend on bringing you videos that you could use, that's informative, and that will assist you in this time that we all need. Okay, thanks, guys. How to coupon at Dollar Tree for free and build a free stockpile. Here it is. Hit like, subscribe, and share that channel, guys, because it's on. Thank you. Bye. Hey guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. You are actually in my YouTube room. It's terrible and I didn't get to finish it, but I'm gonna turn around and show you a little. But I have a special treat for you. Remember, The video is how to coupon with no money and build a free stockpile at Dollar Tree. I have a number of different stores on this one stand, but I want to show you the Dollar Tree stuff. Like literally, you can be broke and with no money and go and coupon at Dollar Tree. So this is why you're seeing connections. I want to show you. Okay. First of all, I want to show you my little coupon. If you look in the back of where all the free stuff at, I got a camper, and I had 2 fur chairs, and I'm still gonna finish doing what I need to do. But I just, it's purple, it's too dark, and that's the reason why you didn't see me film in here. Every time I filmed, it was so dark that I couldn't show the products. Okay, so here you go. How to build a free stockpile with no money at Dollar Tree. Do you all see this? You've been seeing me for months collect Coast. This is free body wash. I don't care if you have to get it and give it to a homeless person. If you had a coupons, grab it. Get it. You can use 4 at a time. When you coupon, you all saw my Dollar Tree video onto this one and any other video. Build your stockpile. Build it for free. We're going through times now where we don't know if we'll be shut down again. If we're going to be shut down, you know how much body wash I got? And that's not the end of it. I just didn't go through all of my boxes and buckets and get everything. Look at all the finish. You all know I've been collecting finish for the longest of time. I have a dishwasher. Those tablets is very expensive. Then, you know, these was free. These are Energizer batteries. Okay, if your lights go out, you can use a flashlight. Here's the batteries. And then you saw me with the free Aquafresh. That's why I tell you all, I have not paid for toothpaste in years, and unless it's those little tubes I told you I was buying, the little buckets for my son. Other than that, you just don't, guys. It's free. I only want to show you this part because when I do other videos, I have all of the stands separated, and I want to show you the stands from the other stores. Basically, build for free. Build your stockpile for free. Now, you probably see a little glance of it. There it is. But here you go. Look. You all know I've been getting these for free forever. Look. That's candy. All that is free hot chews. Not no cheap candy either. And this is what's going to go on. And my granddaughter probably going to faint when I say this. When Halloween comes, I'm going to give out entire bags of this. And because we get it free, like now, we have coupons for free as we speak. We have Coast for free. We got the finish coupons that make them free. The Aquafresh, all of these are new. The Energizers now, those were $1, which was free, but now they're 25 cents. And I actually found 2 of my coupons, so I'm going to go ahead on and collect them and get those up. I'm going to get free Coast today, free finish, and free Aquafresh today. And if I can get some free Energizer batteries, I'm going to grab those too. I am going to show you all that you don't have to have money to build a sustainable stockpile. And every time I do a video at any of these stores, if I get something free, you will see this stockpile grow. And I want you all to see it grow because not only do I want to be informative with my videos, but I also want to show you that I'm not just couponing and spending money. I really don't spend money. And that's why I'm doing this. This is not clickbait, none of that. You guys watch me coupon all the time. Know that this stuff is free. Every single thing you see on this shelf was free. Zilch. In the state of Illinois, we have to pay taxes. So I paid taxes. Okay, so just stick with me, guys. And you all pretty much see that when I coupon, my goal is to get it for free. I'm going to tell you, it's to get it for free. It's not to pay money. I'm going to just tell you, be honest with you, it's to get it for free. And if I can help anyone build a free stockpile and it's sustainable, you need to be following to see what I'm doing. Because that's why I'm going to start my budgeting videos, because I need to start showing you that I truly do budget. So thanks guys for tuning in, but I just wanted to give you all that treat and show you my free stockpile. Your girl don't be playing. This Ivy's Coupon Camp. We do everything in this camp. Everything. That's why it's a camp, because we're going to do some of everything. It's a new me, and I'm ready. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hit like, share, subscribe. But share. Talk about it. Drop me a comment. Let me know some more ideas that you want me to do, and I'll try to do them. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.